set up on instruction.
That group is going to complete.
Okay.
Don't disturb their creativity.
Excuse me. Just
It is making itself as a
take a chance, show to them.
It is making itself as a
I don't want that. Say it.
It is
Ma'am,
feeding a button.
ma'am.
Oh, same thing.
Just that.
आप पहले एक प्लांट अच्छा है
Who can draw? You draw. She can draw.
At last you got something.
No, she gave it. She gave it.
और tackle it. Yeah, tackle it. Step into it. A lot of friends are
It's a symbol of logo of Ireland School Setup.
क्या सर अभी हम एक्स्ट्रा डाल रहे हैं ना थोड़े आगे पूछ आने वाले हैं आप थोड़ा सब्र कीजिए
It's the logo of
no he's telling it's school it's a logo for Ireland only for Ireland में ना this is India we have something
So it
extra
बनाओगे अभी?
we never copy we only inspire so sketches use करते हैं lands के लिए ना
I got one more.
You can actually make it into black and put yellow inside.
Without for next section.
last table.
Copying.
It's just refreshing.
Actually, I told you. I was right with the line refreshing the memory.
Like, we kind of picture it. Okay, this is like, I'm audible, right?
Yes.
So we depicted it in the form of a plant because a plant is something which is always ready to absorb and grow as many new leaves, new flowers, as much as nutrition you provide to its soil. Now, how management pictures a school counselor is somebody who has very strong roots, strong basis, morals and ethics, who is ready to absorb the requirements of the system, which basically consists of the community around the school management, the parents, the requirements of the teachers, the non-teaching staff, and even the government policies of no punishment and such. And somebody who absorbs these, channelizes all these nutrients into the system and takes them further to the new leaves and the flowers, processes, diagnoses the requirements and gives root to flowers, feeds the butterflies and gives fruits and stuff like that. So the roles that spring out of the nutrition that goes through the strong roots of a school psychologist are those as of a liaisonor, a mediator, a counselor, a person who is capable of reporting to somebody else, and somebody who is a philosopher, who is strong in his own right and has his own strong opinions so that he can listen to the others. And these are the roles that give rise to a strong school counselor. And the output, which basically are the flowers and the fruits, are good change in behavior, improvement in academic performances, reduced anxiety levels, better parenting, better school and parental relationships, improved self-esteem of students, teachers and the other staff alike, and better teachers' attitudes and teaching techniques. So basically, our team wanted to depict that a school counselor is somebody who inspires, allows growth, changes lives.
self and all that, and that's how it is. And the wings here tells us, I mean, it affects the child's freedom, you know, of thinking and many more things. It's just not limiting the freedom of thought, you know. So it's about that, and the whole thing shows how a child can actually become better and better through school psychologist's help. And all these are the abilities of school psychologists. Firstly, listening skills and patience. That is, a school psychologist must be ready to listen firstly. So that is the first thing a school psychologist must actually have. And only if the person listens, then he actually helps the child. So he must listen and also be patient enough to handle the kid. And communication and multitasking. That is, a school psychologist must be able to communicate properly so that he can, you know, develop the rapport thing. And multitasking, that is, this school psychologist must also know different languages, and you know, he must be able to communicate it properly so that the child must feel comfortable. I mean, the child must not actually feel that he's come to a big person and you know, he's telling all these things. So he must make the child feel comfortable first. And then good subject knowledge and experience and implementing things. So that is, firstly, as a school psychologist, we must know about school psychology and how it is and how he must be. And he must also have good experience, and he must be able to implement things whatever is done. Capable of taking up challenges and considering the odds. That is, a school psychologist must be ready for anything that comes up, any kind of challenge. You know, I mean, kids can be in any way. I mean, they'll have any number of problems, so you must be able to handle every problem. And able to strike a balance between parents, teachers, and school. So it's actually all in the hands of school psychologists who can actually help the teachers to have a good relationship with the students. The students have a good relationship with the teachers and the school, and the way they present the school, and also parents and teachers and parents and their kids and things like that. So he must be able to, you know, convince them and help them understand, and them to, you know, I mean, help them to balance all of it. And ability to relate to the child considering their emotional level and age. So a school psychologist must also keep in mind that, you know, when a kid has a problem, he must actually help him out. It's like he must give him solutions which a kid can take, as in we can't actually give a very solution. So he must relate to the, I mean, he must actually step into the child's shoes. And then motivating and encouraging the child to reach and set goals, to reach set goals. So that is, a school psychologist must firstly encourage the child so that, you know, that can equip and motivate the child to do kind of things. Encouragement. Comfortable in handling sex-related queries by the children. A school psychologist must be very comfortable when it comes to teenage problems and things like that. That person must be able to, you know, answer to the point and help him understand such points. Presentable, approachable, and warm and empathetic. Firstly, that person also must be good at his presentation. He must approachable. He must be approachable. I mean, friendly, something like that, so that the This is, it's like, it is a school psychologist